So, about a week ago, I got an email from Gearbest.com telling me to expect something in the mail. Something that was a Xiaomi product. They didn't tell me what Xiaomi product it was. They told me it was blue and that I needed to review it. So here's the review. I hope you enjoy. And once again, thanks Gearbest for shipping this out. Hello everybody! My name is Silverfern, and today we'll be taking a look at this Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker, provided very kindly by Gearbest.com. Link to where you can buy the speaker down below. Once again, thank you very much to Gearbest for sending this out. Yes, this butter knife is the knife of unboxing today. But, so we're going to get straight into the unboxing because there's no f***ing about on this YouTube channel. Oh, there we are. Penetration. I'm so professional at this whole unboxing thing. Okay, so then you get some Asian wrappers. Okay, so you actually get a bag. You get a carry bag. On the previous speaker I bought from Xiaomi, it was a lot cheaper. It came in a cardboard box with literally nothing in it. Do we get a charging cable? So Dylan's gonna turn the speaker on, because he's special. That was a cool noise.
Whoa, that was a cool noise.
Okay, I'll get my phone out and we'll pair with it.
Bass on that is so...
It's got some bass.
OP.
This is a very good speaker. I mean, it's not probably comparable to something like a Slangmate, like the thing I reviewed earlier. Its bass is definitely very impressive for the size of this device. It's definitely packs a punch, but I mean, not quite a substantial punch as the Slangmate. But I mean, it is a real good speaker for the money, and if you want one that is small and portable, its bass is actually quite impressive. So if you place it down on the table and we press play, you can feel that through the whole table. Bass is not an issue, but when I tried playing Location by Khaled a few minutes ago, it kind of, I think it's got a chip inside it for preventing damage to the drivers, because at the moment the bass drops, the speaker turned itself down to stop it from blowing itself up, which is a little disappointing. Thank you so much Gearbest for sending this out, this is greatly appreciated. Got another review coming up in the next few days of these. These are headphones from Xiaomi, but that's a video for another day. I don't have much to say about it. It's really good. You should go to Gearbest.com, link in the description. You should buy this speaker. It's currently on special for $55. It might not be by the time this video comes out because I'm me. But I mean, so at the moment it's $55. It might. At the moment it's $65. But I mean, prices fluctuate on Gearbest all the time. That's the beauty of Gearbest. Constant specials, constant sales. So of course, this is definitely going to go on sale again. But, so yes, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now I'm just going to leave you with a quick comparison between the Slangmate and the speaker. It's probably not a fair comparison, but it's a comparison nevertheless. So, they're both very different sounding. The thing is, and they're completely different leagues. It's almost unfair to compare the two to one another because these have 2-inch drivers, which are literally 3 times the size of the tiny little drivers in this. So, it's almost unfair to compare. Oh, that was a rhyme. But yeah, so obviously the Slangmate does sound better, which is, of course, to be expected. But the thing is, with this, is that you can just take this in your pocket. You can put this in your pocket. I don't know why you'd want to, because it would muffle the sound, but you can. And so this is just a lot more convenient in this, though. This, I've been taking to school for a few months, and it is a real annoying thing because it is so damn large. The thing is, this costs twice as much as this, so it really depends on what you want to be doing. If you want pure listening, but if you want convenience, you want this. So $50, $100, up to you. But yeah, I think they're both great speakers, and I own both of them, so thanks Gearbest for sending this to me. Oh, can't show that, that's my warranty. But yes, so thank you for that. This speaker is very good. I appreciate it. I will be buying more Xiaomi products in the future, such as this, because I already have this, and some headphones that a review may be coming of soon. So thank you Xiaomi, and thank you Gearbest, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm going to leave you now with some footage of me going for a biscuit in the roughest water I have ever experienced. I may have fallen off. You'll see that. Okay, see you later. Bye.